as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This has been so long that I am sitting here and just filming a video. I was very busy with the Face Awards videos and I didn't make it to the top 6. That is like something really upsetting, but let's just not go there. So today I'm going to create this Pride Month Sensate series inspired makeup look. This is what like inspired me and that's why I'm creating this look. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off with my eyebrows and eyes. So basically I'm just overlining my brows with a eyebrow pencil. By the way guys, I haven't shot really any products in this video, but if you want to know what I have used, please check my description box. Everything will be listed below there. Once I'm happy with my eyebrow lining, I am going to set it with some eyebrow gel. And after that, just to clear it up a bit more, I'm just using a pencil concealer and just lining it. And after that, I'll just blend it. I'm blending it with my fingers. If you want, you can totally use a brush, but fingers work just fine, so don't worry about that. And then I'm going to prime my eyes, and for that I'm going to use NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade called Milk. This is a white eye pencil and it has a very creamy texture. So this is actually going to work for eyeshadow base. And the reason I'm not using any concealer instead of this white color because I'm going to work with very vibrant colors, and for Indian skin tones working with those colors can be a little bit tricky. So for that you need something with which you can actually achieve the maximum pigment of the colors, and that's why I'm going to use this white pencil. Also you will see that I'm blending it with my fingers, not with a brush, and I'm not even like setting it with some powder. I know I have done it before, but recently I have learned this trick that if you set your eyeshadow base with a powder, you are going to lose the real pigment of your eyeshadow. So you need to work with your eyeshadow. You have to blend it a little bit more, but it's gonna be worth it. Once my eyelids are primed, I'm going to use this humongous palette from MIB Cosmetics, and I'm going to use all the rainbow colors, the 7 colors actually. The first color I'm going to take yellow and I'm going to just pat it on my eyelid. I'm not blending anything right now. Then I'm taking an orange shade, following by a red shade. Then I'm slowly diffusing the red with mix of dark pink. I know pink doesn't come in rainbow, but my rainbow cannot be completed without pink, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to blend all the colors together with a clean fluffy blending brush. If you want that you need some more color to blend the rest of the colors together, then go ahead, take it and just slowly work it out. And I know this look is like right now it is looking a bit messy and it's not properly blended, but I am going for a like abstract untidy look, so this kind of blending is totally going to work for me. If you want, you can totally take your time and blend it proper way, like clean nice blended eyeshadow look, but for today I'm not up for that, so I'm happy the way it is looking. Same thing I'm going to repeat on the other eyelid, and this time I'm going to follow the other half of the colors like blue, green and purple. So I'm just going to fast forward it super quick because you have already seen the process. Now I'm going to apply the foundation, but not for the full face. I'm just going to apply it like around my eyes, and I know I haven't done the lower lash line yet, but for that before I need to finish off my foundation, so I'm just applying my foundation with a brush. Also guys, I would like to tell you something. Recently I have started using brushes instead of sponge. I don't know what got into me, but right now I always use my foundation and concealer with brush, no more sponge, and I'm absolutely in love with these brushes. So yeah, applying some concealer This is my favorite, you guys already know. It's Maybelline FitMe. I think I'm in the shade called Sand Sable. I'm not sure, but again, check my description box. You will get everything listed there. And as I have told you already, again I'm using a flat foundation brush to blend out my concealer. And again guys, I'm really liking these brushes. I don't know why I used to use only and only beauty blender or makeup sponge. I think because of Instagram. Now I'm just setting the foundation super quick with a setting powder. Now it's time to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to lay down all those colors similarly the way I have laid down the colors on my upper lid, and I'm dragging them quite low because I want a very smudgy and kind of smoky look. Now it's time for a wing, and for that I'm going to use a black felt tip liner, and I think this one is from NYX. So I'm just like drawing a big fat wing. That's it. Nothing fancy here, and I really like the way they have turned out. Now I'm going to just prep my lashes with a mascara. Not curling them, I'm just applying the mascara. I am going to add false lashes, but I'm going to do that at the end of my video, because if I wear false lashes right away, my eyes will start watering. I don't know what's wrong with them, but this is something which have started recently I'm experiencing. So I don't know, I have to go to a doctor or something. I have to figure out what to do with that. I'm going to use colorful eyeliners from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just going to create dots on the lower lash line of my eye. Again, it's just a like abstract effect which is going to give me a super cool look. So I'm just doing that. I'm going to quickly contour my nose, and I'm going to put on some highlighter. And after that I'm going to directly start off with the painting, but before that I need to outline the area, like the window area. And for that I'm going to use NYX Jumbo Pencil. Again, it's a cream pencil. You guys know I always use cream pencil for the outlining stuff, because the reason is pretty simple. If you make any kind of mistakes, it is really simple to wipe them off. Once I'm happy with my outlining, I'm going to start off with painting my face white, and water activated body paint. I have added a very little amount of water, and I want a very creamy consistency. I'm just applying it with a flat brush all over my face, my nose, my lips, my chest, everywhere. Apply the paper cut out from a chart paper, and I have shaped them according to the shape of my outline. Just cutting them the edges and going to roll it with my hands as if these papers are actually tearing off. But after this I actually had to redone everything, because the desired effect I was not getting, like in the inverted way. I mean, the crinkled side should be down and the smooth side should be up. So that way I just got the desired effect I wanted. First time I failed, and then I saved the look. Right now I'm just blending the edges with a thin layer of tissue paper and some latex, because that way it will be very easy to paint out and kinda like camouflage the paper with my white paint. Emphasizing on the ripped effect part, bending the edges with my fingers. I'm going to paint out my hair as well. I have applied hair gel so that I can get a smooth surface to work with. Now I'm just drawing this ripped effect parts on the paper with a help of a grey eyeshadow and a very small brush. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to contour my face with a cool grey shade. Guys, please don't use anything shimmery, and this is a like matte grey shade, and this is perfect for my contouring. And with that, my look is completed. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.